Welcome. If you want to find and manage sound settings in your Realme C11 2021, open Settings. Next, go for the sound. At the first, we can adjust volume level of media, calls, ringtone notification and the alarm by moving this switcher to left or right. As you can see, it's very simple. Next, we can adjust vibration for calls. We can set always vibrate or never or the last option. Below we can find the do not disturb mode that we can customize and turn on. Here we can also get the shortcut to prevent ringing. Here we can change ringtone for SIM first and second. The same for the notification sound, alarm, and here we can change other sounds and vibrations. So we can, for example, turn on or turn off the iPad tones or screen locking sounds by tapping on the switchers. So if you will find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.